Alright guys, well, here's the two-pipe shield I just bent up. Is it cut straight? Hardly. Do I care? Not at all. So that's the way it's going to go. I'm just going to sheet metal screw this in. It doesn't have to be all that straight. No one's going to be looking underneath here anyway. So yeah, that'll take care of the problems there. I'm going to go ahead and round that out, the corner there, so it looks a little bit better. Okay. Alright, so there it is, all covered in undercoating and stuff. It's reasonably straight, not perfect, but you know what? Fuck it. It just had to do its job. That's all it's got to do. Okay.